Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The photography and videography world is buzzing once again. As anticipation builds for what could be Sony's most exciting full-frame, mirrorless release yet, the upcoming Sony A7V, this isn't just another product launch on the calendar. It's a potential turning point for creators deciding whether to hold on to their current gear or leap into the next generation of hybrid camera technology. The big question is, will the A7V truly redefine full-frame performance, or simply bring small upgrades to an already competitive market? The Alpha 7 legacy Sony's Alpha 7 lineup has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a mirrorless camera can do. The A7 III shook the industry in 2018 with its outstanding balance of performance and affordability. The A7 IV followed in 2021, refining the formula with higher resolution, better autofocus, and stronger video features. Now, all eyes are on the A7V, which is rumored to push both specifications and price to new levels, industry insiders suggest. A launch price of around $2,799 United States dollars for the body only, with regional pricing climbing higher, potentially over 3,400 euros in Europe and close to $4,000 CAD in Canada. At this range, Sony will need to justify every upgrade with significant real-world benefits for both photographers and filmmakers. Rumored core technology at the heart of the A7V is expected to be a 44-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, a notable jump from the A7 IV's 33MP. This sweet spot offers extra detail and cropping flexibility without slowing burst rates too dramatically. While some early reports suggested a stacked sensor, most credible leaks now indicate a high-performance non-stacked BSI design, likely to improve low-light capability and dynamic range without stepping into flagship A1 territory. Processing and autofocus intelligence powering this sensor is likely the Bion's XR processor, possibly paired with a dedicated AI unit. This means smarter subject recognition, enhanced real-time tracking, and quicker response in challenging environments. Whether it's wildlife on the move, fast-paced sports, or bustling street scenes. These improvements could directly address one of the A7 IV's few weak spots: occasional autofocus hesitation in unpredictable scenarios. Speed and reliability rumors point to a burst rate of up to 20 fps. With continuous autofocus and exposure, double the speed of the A7 IV.
For action
shooters, this moves the A7V into near flagship territory. Heat management is also expected to be improved, making it possible to sustain long bursts or extended video shoots without thermal throttling. Video features for hybrid shooters on the video side. The A7V is shaping up to be a serious hybrid contender, potentially offering oversampled 4K recording with crisp detail, 16-bit RAW output over HDMI for maximum flexibility, Sony's S-Log3 and S-Cinetone profiles for cinematic color grading, enhanced 5ACs, IBIs rated for up to 8 stops of stabilization, dual card slots, SFEX Type A plus UHS 2SD. For speed and backup, these upgrades would make the A7V a compelling option for content creators who switch seamlessly between stills and video. Design and usability. The body design may draw inspiration from Sony's flagship models, offering a deeper grip, more premium build quality, and improved control layout. Expect a high-resolution, fully articulating LCD with improved outdoor visibility, along with a sharper, more immersive electronic viewfinder for precise framing. Competition and market positioning. The A7V will face strong competition from Canon's EOS R6 Mark II, Nikon Z6 III, and Panasonic's S5 II, all offering their own strengths in video stabilization or autofocus. To stand out, the A7V must deliver more than just bigger numbers on a spec sheet. It needs to offer genuine creative advantages in real-world shooting. Should you wait? If you're looking for the latest autofocus tech, faster bursts, and higher resolution, waiting for the A7V might be worth it. But if you need a capable full-frame hybrid camera today, the A7 IV remains an excellent value, especially with current price drops. Final thoughts. Sony A7V could very well become the new standard in enthusiast full-frame cameras, blending higher resolution, advanced AI autofocus, rapid burst speeds, pro-grade video features, ergonomic improvements into one package. If Sony delivers on these rumors, it could lure creators from competing brands and set a fresh benchmark for hybrid performance. For now, the photography world waits, and here on Technology in the Future. We'll be ready to break down every confirmed detail as soon as Sony makes it official.